You have to be in the video.
Nah, really. Hey, before you guys squish it in, I want to see it.
Okay. Now, come on. Come on. We want to see it too.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, this is how it looks.
I want to have it.
I call one of these sticking activators. These old.
No, I call it activator.
Maybe you're
Have the mochi.
No, you already got it last time. Look it. So this is what it looks like.
I caught opening my first to show the video.
Okay.
How do you open this?
Wait, hold on. Let me get something.
How do you open this?
Uy.
Oh, there we go. Guys, I can't wait to open mine. Ooh, look at this white frosting. Seems really good. I gotta try it because my sister needs it though. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Kaden. For this. Look at this. Oh my god, that's so glittery. And look at the back. It's like cardboard. Okay, I'm gonna be doing it now. Mom, I'm gonna be doing it now.
Why do you always gotta go on my way? Just stay there. Just stay
I'm gonna
there.
do it now. Okay, how do you do it?
So you open this. So this is like the little bundle set.
Okay, Kaden, what do I do now?
I'm gonna do mine. Look, can you show them how glittery it is? Look how glittery that is.
Oh, it smells so gross. Oh,
I'm gonna put it on top of mine.
Okay, put that on stick. Oh, it's still so sticky. Okay, let's open this now. Okay, let's put it down.
Oh, I know, but I'm trying to.
Oh my god, guys! Look how sounding like this, guys.
Whoa.
So soft. Oh my god.
I know, but it's clay or what? Okay, show it. Well, this is concha.
It's clay. Look,
It's clay, and you can squish it.
Okay.
No,
Okay. Now I need to. What do I do now? It's so sticky.
Okay. Oh my god, guys, this is such good slime.
Now, can you give me it, please?
Okay, here. Now I just put it in. No, just put it on top.
Oh, you guys are ready. I'm ready to see it. I'm ready to.
Sticky.
Just stop. Just put it on top.
Excuse me, Layla. Taking up too much of the space, girl. Take your time. Please take your time. Okay.
Can you stop moving it, please?
Oh, wait.
There. Oh my god!
Please take your time.
Can I
Put it down.
squish
Put it down.
Can I squish it now?
Mom, really? You took up the whole thing.
Can I squish it?
Yeah, go on.
I'm not gonna squish it.
Oh my gosh, that is so.
I'm gonna keep it. I don't want to squish it. Okay. I'm gonna squish mine. Are you ready?
Yeah, go.
Wait.
Okay, I have to wait for mom.
Oh, no.
It's my turn now.
Okay.
Okay, I can't wait. I just want to keep it. Oh my god.
Layla, you. Okay, whatever. Get it.
Got crunch.
Let me see.
Oh, you have nails.
Kim, it's glossy with clay. That goes together.
Ow.
Sorry.
Okay, let me do it now.
Mom, look at let's just take a
Oh
moment
my god.
and just appreciate this.
Oh my god.
Like,
I really appreciate this. Mom. Now my slime is gonna be glittery and you're not, guys. Just.
Mom, that's amazing.
Let me put this is my thing.
That's amazing.
Let me feel. Whoa, that is amazing.
Okay.
Maybe that's not a race, bro.
I don't enjoy it, bro.
Oh my gosh, let me see.
Mom, it's sticky.
Oh, it's not a
We have to like.
Let me see.
It's clay. Yeah, I think I put it on.
No.
No? I need activator. Activator, please.
Oh.
Activator, please. I can do it myself.
Oh, it's mine.
Oh my god.
You're doing it. I want to do it myself.
It's hers.
Whoa.
Can I
Are you
do
guys
mine
ever gonna
now?
use your other slimes?
Oh yeah, I do sometimes.
Why
I
did
do.
you
And I
do
just be sitting
yourself?
in my room and I'm
How did you feel about the concha pressing?
You
It just feels like.
Oh, it's getting pink now. Oh my.
You want to try to mix it?
No.
Okay, I don't think it's the wash anymore.
Let me see. No, you could just do it. I have my own. But, here you go.
Kim, do yours now.
Oh,
I
yes.
Mom's is just a clay girl.
Yes, I
Where
like
did
that.
Kayla put hers? Kim, where do you put yours?
Oh
I
my
love
gosh.
the pink, bro. It's like a baby pink.
Elaine, Kim, where's yours?
Mom,
It's holding it. But just keep going. So, I don't know if you can see, but there's no glitter. Mom! What the heck, bro? Yo, if that got in my hair. Oh my god, it got on the purple.
You're cleaning that
I
out.
don't know how to do it.
Oh my god.
Layla, no, you're doing it wrong. Mom, it got in your hair. Did you mom's hair? I think it did.
It got in my hair
No.
Mom, your earphone.
Content. What's up with our content, bro?
What's up with the crab, man?
She threw it all over the floor.
If you guys know, if you guys would have, what is that for real? If you guys would have done that, I would have been so
Okay,
pissed.
now my sister's gonna do hers right, Elaine, Caitlin. Oh, she's not.
Damn, it's so.
I'm gonna try to do slime bubble.
No, you can take it off. Take it off.
Here.
Oh, I was gonna make a slime bubble.
Girl, but you can't press it. I need the slime to press on it to take it off.
Bruh.
Oh, Caitlin, I have to do it again.
Okay,
Well,
take
do
it
it.
off.
Gotta do it.
I love the.
Okay, there, Caitlin.
It's very glittery.
It's just so.
Do it with the nails.
You should let mom squish yours.
Oh, Mom, you messed it up now.
No, look.
I want to flat it in myself.
Hey, stop crying. You cried
There.
for the dumbest reasons. Just shut up, bro.
You shut up, bro.
You shut up.
Hey.
Yeah, Layla. Shh.
Yeah. Shh.
Hey.
Mom, I did not see you so aggressive like that. Stop it!
Oh my god. Layla, stop. Hey, Layla. Just, Layla, just do your slime.
Oh my god, that was so funny. She was throwing hands already.
Okay.
Layla's aggressive, bro.
Bye, guys.
Hope you guys enjoyed our little pan dulce smashing video.
Caitlin, you're not gonna do yours. So, come on.
No, I am.
Why are you not
I
gonna
don't have one, remember?
Oh yeah, you don't. My mom has to buy you one. The one of these. Right?
Well, you just don't do it.
Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye.
Bye.
What?